Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, and Miss Munchkin. We're back today with a Dollar Tree haul, and I have some really cool stuff, some craft stuff, some home stuff, and a really cute little kind of wish list item I saw a person haul and thought we would never get them at my Dollar Tree. So stay tuned and see what we got. Say hey, Miss Munchkin. Say hey. Yes. Alright y'all, let's start with my favorite thing that I found is so adorable. Is this cute little ceramic bank. It's got such pretty little colors on it. It has a slide and a little plug in the bottom. So I thought it was adorable. And as the only one, it was by itself sitting on the shelf. So I picked that up for myself. And then I got a few florals. Here Miss Munchie getting a drink over there. They're called hop bushes. I got one in each color. They had some that had a little more yellow in them. And they had pink and blue and cream. That was all the colors I saw, so I picked up those. It was really cute. And they got one decor piece. They're already putting out... Oop, let me go stop my washer. Sorry about that. I am having washer issues. I just bought a brand new washer last month from Lowe's. Bless their little hearts. I've had it 33 days and it is no longer under Lowe's warranty, but I did purchase the extended service plan, which it has been a nightmare trying to get in touch with them. I haven't gotten an answer yet about getting my washer repaired. A brand new 33-day-old washer. So I am not happy with Lowe's, and I think it's a good thing. Everybody ought to think about it. Shop local. Don't go to your big box for things that you might need service on, because it is a nightmare trying to get service from these people. I talked to one person, they said, well, bring it in. I'm like, you don't understand. How am I going to bring in a washer? Where do you want me to bring it? I already talked to the store and they told me not to bring it there. Now, where you want me to bring it? He didn't have an answer for me, so it's just... I'm a little upset today. But anyway, well, let's get back to the Dollar Tree haul, and I'm not going to rant anymore. Okay, got this cute little 4th of July, or you could use it for Memorial Day or really anything. They had the red truck and the blue truck, so I thought that was really cute, and I picked that up. And this was a good deal. It is a 3-pack of Skin Aid Medics hand sanitizing wipes, antibacterial moisturizers with aloe vera and vitamin E, and it's 40 sheets in each, and there's 3 packs, and it's fresh berry, citrus, and fresh. So that was a real good deal. I love to keep those in my car even before all this COVID stuff. I kept them in my car, not necessarily antibacterial, but I just kept wipes in my car so when you cut gas, your hands don't smell like gas. Or, you know, and they're good if you spill something in your car and you don't want it to stain your upholstery. But be careful, because some of them might have alcohol in it, or some wipes, like the bleach wipes, don't use those on your upholstery. Okay, and then of course my dog Poopy Bags. I have some lovely Halloween colors today. And then I got the Skin, S-K-Y-N, Get Fresh, Intimate, Refreshing, and Cleansing Wipes. Those are nice to have. Keep those in the bathroom. And then some more Poopy Bags for my dogs. This is a good deal, 60 waste bags. As of late, the bags have been really good. I have gone through periods where the poop bags I have gotten have been horrible. You couldn't tear them, or they were all the way through, they weren't sealed, but they've been good lately. I picked up the Spring Fling cutlery set with the bamboo cutlery. I thought that was really nice. So it's nice forks and spoons. It has a lovely little pink, gold pineapple on it. And you'll see a theme going here. I picked up each of the kinds of cutlery they had. This is the 12-piece knife, fork, and spoon in the silver and black. And then this is in the silver. These are much more heavy-duty. If you're going to have a small group coming over to eat, you're going to use paper plates and you don't want to use utensils. And I can't stand to eat with those little thin plastic forks that when you're eating with it, it breaks. So, got these. And then I got these really, really pretty dinner plates. It's 4-piece plastic plates, and they have a little design on it. Different polka dots. That's really cute. And I've never seen these in Dollar Tree in this color, so they've got some beautiful spring colors. They had this in teal and I think a minty green color. So I got the two blue ones. And then I picked up the wood shop race car and the birdhouse because I needed some little pieces of wood already cut, and I just thought that I'd be able to use what was in here to make something else. So y'all stay tuned to see if I'm successful with that. And I got these great planter trolleys by Garden Solutions. Got the little wheels on the bottom. These are nice too if you've got a cabinet, you want to put them in there and put your spices in it, then you can turn it around because the wheels roll really good. But I picked up 2 of those, and previously I had gotten the huge pots, and those are going to fit right in there. And then my last find, and I was really glad to see these. I thought these were really cool. I grabbed them now to put them up for Christmas. It is the Decorative Filler, and it has, let's see. You thirsty, darling? It's got the little pine cones in it, and some greenery, and some berries, and see this one. These have white, and then this has some silver in it, and then I believe they have one that has some gold in it. So I grabbed those now because they'll never be there Christmas. But oh no, I'm to the end of my bag. So that's it. That's my Dollar Tree haul for this week. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to try to be on a schedule. Doing videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm going to try to do my hauls on Monday, and Wednesday I will do a craft, and on Friday I've got a lot of stuff from Goodwill that I bought to fix. I almost called her Dottie. Oh, Miss Munchkin has a toy, and she's running up and down the hall with it, so she's kind of distracted. I'm going to try to get better at scheduling. I'm going to do my Dollar Tree hauls on Monday, a Dollar Tree craft on Wednesday, and then on Friday I'll do like a Goodwill flip or a Cricut craft, or show you some more of my sublimation or the other things that I do. But anyway, I'm going to try to be on a schedule, try to be a little more consistent. So y'all stay tuned and see what I do. And please, some of my subscribers have been telling me that they haven't been getting their notifications. So if you are a subscriber and you did click that notification bell, just double check and make sure. And I love y'all, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.